Welcome to Edulap, your go-to channel for mastering essential software skills. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Excel to unlock the power of series options. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly generating sequences of data, whether it's dates or numbers. Let's get started. As you can see, we have a clear objective: how to apply series options in Excel. We'll cover date scenarios, including and excluding weekends, months, and years. We'll also look at creating numerical series, including those with a specific step value. First, let's explore date scenarios. We'll start by entering a date in cell C9. For example, let's type EUA1 EO6C 2025. Now, to apply series options, we need to go to the Fill command. You'll find this under the Editing group in the Home tab. Click on Fill and then select Series. This brings up the Series dialog box. Make sure Columns is selected under Series In, as we want our dates to fill down the column. Under Type, Date should be selected. And for Date Unit, we'll choose Day. Let's set a stop value, for instance 30/06/2025, to generate dates for the entire month of June. Click OK, and there you have it. Excel has automatically filled in every day from our start date to our end date. Now, what if you only want to include weekdays? Let's go back to our initial date, Leo 1/06/2025, in a new column. Again, navigate to Fill and then Series. This time, under Date Unit, select Weekday. We'll use the same stop value, 30/06/2025. Click OK. Notice the difference? Saturdays and Sundays are now excluded from our series, giving you only the working days. Moving on, let's explore filling by month. We'll start again with 01/01/2025. Head to Fill, Series. Keep Columns and Date selected, but for Date Unit, choose Month. Let's set our stop value to 01/01/2026. Click OK. Excel now displays the first day of each month, progressing forward. And finally, for dates, let's fill by year. Enter 01/01/2020 as our starting date. Go to Fill, Series. Select Columns, Date, and then Year as the date unit. We'll use 01/01/2025 as our stop value. After clicking OK, you'll see the series showing the first day of each consecutive year. Now let's switch gears to serial numbers. In cell F3, we'll enter the number 1. Navigate to Fill, Series. This time, ensure Columns is selected and under Type, choose Linear. This is perfect for simple numerical sequences. Set a stop value, for example, 500. Click OK. Excel swiftly fills down the column with numbers from 1 to 500. What if you need a series that increases by more than 1? Let's start with 1 again in cell I3. Go to Fill, Series. Make sure Columns and Linear are selected. Now, in the step value field, enter 2. For our stop value, let's use 50. Click OK. You'll observe that Excel has generated a series of odd numbers, increasing by a step of 2, up to 49. This demonstrates how you can customize your numerical sequences with specific increments. And that's how you effectively use the series options in Microsoft Excel. From managing dates with specific exclusions to generating custom numerical lists, this feature can save you a lot of time and effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Edulap for more useful tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.